Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After Taz we had Shelley from Shelley Anderson Art, who is our special guest on the Fluid Art Express today. Thank you so much for joining us, Shelley. After me we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from venomfluidart, and last but not least, Tony and Kat, the hippy dippy painter man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. So today I'm just having to play with some different pours, just having a bit of a mess around. All the colours are mixed with really thin Australian Floetrol. I got a crappy bottle of it ages ago that was really super thin. It was like water. So what I've done is mix that with some Amsterdam tube paints, and we're just going to have a play with it. Rather than wasting it and throwing it out, may as well use it for something. So, alright, stick around and I'll show you how I did this.
We started off as two kids in love, both wanted more, you couldn't break us. You took my heart and held it in your hands, but the calmness in your voice says you moved on without choice. In the morning you'll be gone. I pictured you leaving all night long. I'm going under. I'm going under without you. Thought we could make it in a broken world, living in moments where nothing was sure. I thought forever I'd go wherever you'd go. In the morning you'll be gone. I pictured you leaving all night long. I'm going under. I'm going under without you. I can't breathe when you're not here. Living without you's my worst fear. I'm going under. I'm going under without you. You took your time and you made your mind that you can live your life without me. You took my heart right from the start. What once was filled is empty. In the morning you'll be gone. I pictured you leaving all night long. I'm going under. history, calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. But we will remain. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. Don't always do what I should. I'd be better if I thought I could. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. Everybody trying to change my ways, but I live just to see you break. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. You take the high road, I'll take the low. Everyone lies cause everyone knows. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that. You have a close-up look at all those lovely little rings and patterns that are in that. That was a load of fun. Quite like it. Alright, I might press pause and do another quickie.
to show our colors. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. A little bit bad. Feels good to be a little bit bad. I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh,
guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. That turned out pretty cool too. I love the way the dark and light blue look like wave ripples. Quite like that. Definitely loads of fun. Alright, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart, I'll be putting a complete playlist of everybody that's on today. Just click on that link. It plays everybody one after another. So you don't have to go hunting for links and things like that. Alright guys, if you like that, like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. And that's it from me. So, have fun. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.